Clear vinyl is a versatile material to incorporate into your sewing projects, whether you're creating stylish bags, useful home decor, or unique accessories. In this video, I'll walk through what clear vinyl is, its best applications, the different qualities of clear vinyl, and some tips for cutting and sewing clear vinyl, along with some project ideas featuring SallieTomato patterns. Hey everybody, if you're new here, I'm Jess from SallieTomato. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here at SallieTomato, we are all about teaching you how to make boutique style bags at home. It's so much fun to create projects with unique materials, and we love sharing skill building videos with you so that way you can create confidently and create projects that you are proud and excited to show off and use. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you never miss when a new tutorial or inspiration video drops. And don't forget that everything that I talk about in today's tutorial will be linked in the description below. We know that this material can be intimidating to work with, so we wanted to break down all of our top tips to share with you for you to have the most fun and success sewing with this material. So let's get started by explaining a little bit about what clear vinyl is and the different types that are available. Clear vinyl is a flexible, transparent material either made from PVC or TPU. Both materials offer durability and water resistance. However, they differ in flexibility, environmental impact, and other characteristics. PVC vinyl is a popular choice due to its affordability and durability. It's flexible, waterproof, and resistant to chemicals, making it an ideal choice for a variety of applications. However, PVC may become brittle over time, especially in colder climates, and it may also contain harmful chemicals like phthalates. PVC is also less eco-friendly as it is not easily recyclable and can release toxins during production and disposal. TPU vinyl, on the other hand, is a more eco-friendly alternative. It is not made with any harmful chemicals. It's recyclable and it has superior flexibility and durability. TPU vinyl is known for its soft rubber-like texture, so it's an ideal choice for projects that require a lot of movement or bending. TPU is also more transparent and less prone to yellowing compared to PVC. However, it does come with a higher price point. We recommend choosing TPU vinyl when you need a material that is highly flexible, durable, crystal clear, and eco-friendly. It's ideal for bag projects, pouches, or really any project that requires frequent handling or bending. And here at SallieTomato, all of our vinyl is TPU quality. If you have a project that doesn't require extreme flexibility or long-term use, then perhaps PVC is a better choice. It's an affordable, durable option that's great for covers, liners, and other straightforward applications where cost is a significant factor. So whether you prioritize durability, flexibility, clarity, or environmental impact, there's a material that's perfect for your project. Clear vinyl is incredibly versatile, making it a great choice for a variety of projects. When it comes to bag making, clear vinyl is perfect for creating see-through pockets, panels, or overlays. It's ideal for showing off beautiful fabrics underneath or making bags where visibility is key, like stadium bags or travel pouches. In home decor, clear vinyl works wonders for protecting surfaces while keeping them visible, like tablecloths, chair covers, or shelf liners. You can also use it for custom storage solutions like clear bins or organizers. And don't forget about the accessories. From wallet windows to luggage tags, clear vinyl adds both function and style to your creations. When selecting a clear vinyl, it's essential to choose the right gauge and material for your project. The variety of gauges available include 4 to 6 gauge PVC or TPU, which is thin and flexible. This vinyl is great for projects requiring more pliability, like lightweight pockets or windowed pouches. 8 to 12 gauge PVC or TPU has a medium thickness, providing a balance of flexibility and durability. It's ideal for bag panels, pouches, and craft projects. 16 gauge and above, which is typically PVC, is a thick and sturdy vinyl suitable for more substantial projects like tablecloths, protective covers, and heavy-duty bags. Cutting clear vinyl can be tricky, but these tips will help you achieve clean edges. Use a rotary cutter. A sharp rotary cutter and a clear ruler will give you precise cuts. Ensure your cutting mat is clean to avoid transferring marks to the vinyl. Our next tip is to stabilize the vinyl. Vinyl can slip and stretch, so stabilize it with pattern weights or magnets instead of pins, which can leave holes. And our last cutting tip relates to marking. Use a washable or dry erase marker to mark on the material and test on a scrap first. There are a few things to consider when sewing with clear vinyl, but have no fear, all of these tips are approachable and easy to implement. Choose the appropriate presser foot. Use a Teflon foot, non-stick foot, or walking foot to prevent the vinyl from sticking to your machine. Having the right foot attached to your machine will make all of the difference. If you don't have one of these feet, place a piece of tissue paper between the vinyl and the presser foot, then tear it away after stitching. Next, gather the correct needles and thread. My personal favorite is a Teflon needle, otherwise known as a non-stick needle. Otherwise, you can use a sharp or vinyl needle. We recommend size 90-14 or 80-12 with a polyester thread for strength and durability. Avoid too much back stitching to prevent perforating the vinyl, which can weaken it. Next is stitch length. Use a longer stitch length, around 3 to 4 millimeters, to reduce the number of perforations and prevent tearing. Avoid pins with clear vinyl. Instead of pins, use clips, magnets such as sew tights, or tape such as washi tape to hold the pieces together. Pins can leave permanent holes in the vinyl. And our final sewing tip is to keep it clean. Vinyl attracts dust and fingerprints, so clean your hands and workspace before starting. Wipe the vinyl with a soft cloth if necessary. SallieTomato offers a growing range of patterns that work well with clear vinyl. Here are a few beginner-friendly ideas to get you started. Add clear vinyl to the front pocket of the Ruth crossbody bag to create a stylish see-through compartment. Otherwise, create the entire bag out of clear vinyl to make it stadium and concert-friendly. The clear vinyl allows easy access to essentials while showcasing the fabric underneath or making the items visible inside. Use clear vinyl for the exterior of the Russel pencil pouch, making it easy to see and organize your stationery accessories. The durable vinyl will protect the contents from potential spills or stains. Incorporate clear vinyl into the tailor front and back panels for a modern functional design. The vinyl adds a unique touch while allowing visibility of what's inside. This travel-friendly pattern is great for cosmetics, art supplies, or whatever you may need to protect. Create functional, transparent panels on the Rebecca organizer using clear vinyl. This project is perfect for showing off a beautiful main fabric and easily viewing the items inside each of the sleeve pockets. Keep bags, shoes, hats, and other large items protected and organized inside this hanging multi-compartment storage bag. The binder pouch pattern is perfect for clear vinyl, creating a see-through pouch that keeps school or office supplies organized and easy to find. This project is great for beginners and a fun way to experiment with vinyl. Use clear vinyl for the window of the luggage tag pattern to ensure your contact information stays visible and protected. This is a practical and stylish project that's ideal for travelers. Be ready for any excursion with the Galaxy Travel Wallet. It securely holds your essential travel items, which includes a pocket with clear vinyl. These patterns not only highlight the versatility of clear vinyl, but also offer several creative ways to feature it in your sewing projects. So whether you're looking to add a modern twist to a classic design or perhaps create something that's entirely unique, then we hope that SallieTomato patterns offer a variety of choices to get you started. Clear vinyl is a fantastic choice to add durability and style to your sewing projects. With the right tools, techniques, and patterns, you'll be able to create projects that are both beautiful and functional. And to help keep all of this information easily accessible to you while you're sewing, we've created a free download which includes all of our tips for how to sew with clear vinyl, which we've linked in the description below this video. And if you're ready to start sewing with clear vinyl, definitely check out our website, SallieTomato.com, or visit your local SallieTomato retailer to shop our growing selection of clear vinyl and printed clear vinyls, plus SallieTomato patterns. You can find all of the links to the products and patterns that I mentioned in this video in the caption below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with our latest projects and tutorials. Share your makes with us using #SallieTomato, and we can't wait to see what you create.